What is up, my dudes? I hope you're doing good. Okay, today I have a quick life hack. If your phone cable is frayed on the ends like this one, you should probably just buy a new cable. But if for some reason you can't, there is another way. I don't know about you, but the finger wag thing they always do on those life hack videos shits me to tears. Anyway, okay, so we've all tried various kinds of tape, which usually just results in the tape peeling off and you end up with a sticky cable, and nobody wants that. But the best way by far, in my opinion, is to use heat shrink. This way is perfect if you already have some laying around the house, but if not, you can buy it online for $1 or $2 and it comes in all different sizes. So as you can see, I've already used the heat shrink on this cable, but I didn't cover the frayed ends enough and the frayed ends slipped out. So that was my fault. If you cover the frayed ends properly, it will work just fine. Now, if you use a big piece that fits over the end of the cable, it won't shrink down enough when you heat it. So what you need to do is take a smaller piece and stretch it. The easiest way to do this would be to use pliers, but you could probably use 2 small screwdrivers or maybe the prongs on 2 forks. Okay, so now what you want to do is stretch it enough so that it fits over the end of the cable, and take the heat gun or a lighter if you don't have a heat gun and shrink it so that it fits snug on the cable. Just be careful not to heat up the cable too much. Thanks for making it to the end. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, and if you think you'll use this life hack, hit that subscribe button. Alright, thanks guys, peace.